Bachacha! Yes! Bachacha box!
Hey kids, let's see what we have in the learning box of Bachacha. Jinwin, Pinwin, pencil on the paper, let the magic begin.
Let's learn how to draw Indian sweets. Coconut ladoo. Draw one circle. Now add a big C, that is half circle, as though the coconut laddus are overlapping. Now add a piece of pista, just like this. Yummy! Color. Use white over the sweet balls and color the pista in green. Good! Kesarpeda. Make a huge oval. Now join it with a curved sleeping line in order to get a full rounded design of the mithai. Let's sprinkle kesar lines and some pista all over the peda. Nicely done! Color. Use a combination of yellow over the peda with orange or brown sprinklers of kesar and green colored pista. That's looking too good. Let's sprinkle kesar lines and some pista all over the peda. Nicely done! Kaju cutli. The most loved kaju cutli can be designed by making a huge sleeping diamond shape just like this. Now create a half diamond a few inches away. Join the ends. Superb! Color. Go for a shining silver and grey base. That's lovely! Jalebi. We all know to make the small letter E. Now simply make an inverted small E and keep going without lifting the pencil. Do it until you achieve 4 to 5 nice rounded curves. Wow, this looks heavenly. Color. A circle full of happiness. Color the jalebi in orange. Milk cake. Draw a square. Now add 2 lines below 2 bottom corners. Join it with a curvy sleeping line. Color. Choose white, beige and brown to show a well-baked milk cake. jamun. Make 5 circles, slightly overlapping, with a pair of pista over each of the delicious balls. Color. Choose a brown with yellow pista for this mouth-watering sweet. Good! Peda. Here's another variation of peda. Make a sleeping oval. Make a flower pattern with a small circle and oval petals encircling it. 2 semicircles as though connected to show a well-rounded peda design. Color. Choose white, beige and light brown for this traditional sweet. Sewn papdi. This yummy mithai can be made by making a rectangle first. Now draw 2 lines from the top of the rectangle. Join it. Draw a vertical line from the top right corner and let it join the base. Good! Color. Choose yellow and beige to color the toothsome sewn papdi. We have been good round the year and blessed in so many ways. Let's celebrate it with some mithai and step into the next year with sweetness in our hearts and minds. Share this special mithai drawing with friends and family.
Stay tuned to Bachacha Box. Happy hours for kids.